Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, the first Uterra production took place at the Ras Al Khaimah plant. The speech from Elena Pichuzkina at Investment Breakfast. The launch of the promotion under SWC Training Marathon 2025. Let us not waste time and get straight to the first event. The test startup on the production of Uterra fertility elixir was carried out in Ras Al Khaimah. The batch volume was 3 tons. During the testing, the complex operated without failures in a routine mode. The construction of the Uterra plant is fully completed, and the full-scale launch of the fertility elixir production is being prepared in the near future. Elena Pichuzkina, head of the International Partner Network Development Department and the Community Building Department of SWC, spoke at the meeting of the Unscripted Business Club, which brought together owners, top managers of large companies, investors, and developers. In her speech, Elena told in detail about ways to create an active community. As a successful example, she cited the experience of building a community within the SWC social venture ecosystem. Under the launch of the SWC Training Marathon 2025, partners have unlimited access to registration of UST packages at an increased discount. Read more about the terms and conditions in the news. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you next time.